Hey you, it's Jess here and welcome back to my channel. Today I decided to do a extra little video for you guys. I haven't done this since last year. This is a kit collection, sticker kit collection. I thought I'd do this video because I wouldn't have a plan with me up today as I usually do because I'm waiting for that kit to come in the mail, so I'm just going to back plan that week. So when we finally get that kit in the mail and get ourselves sorted, I'm just going to put these, I didn't want to leave you without a video this week. So this is my sticker kit collection. I keep them in 3 Happy Scrappy Jumbo albums. These are the 5x7 albums, and they perfectly fit most kits, I think. I know Sadie's stickers fits in here fine. Simply Watercolor Co, obviously Scribble Prints Co. But yeah, I keep them in this 3, and I basically have them as this is my planned out kits that I'm definitely using, and they have the per week label stickers there. Then I have my my hoarding for, and these are ones are like that are very specific, and then it might be events that would definitely be happening, or kits that I would definitely like to use. And then I call it my deep hoard, or it's like my deep freezer of sticker kits. This is where everything else goes that I'm not 100% sure on, but I don't want to get rid of. And then I think some stuff in here is like Caress Press matte papers started shrinking in here, so I don't know if I can use them, but we'll see. But I'll show you what I have in here at the moment. This is a bit empty like my current planning one because mail has been a lot slower, so I'm still waiting on all of my Halloween stuff, like all of it. So but this is the Scribble Prints Co. I think, oh, and this one's also Scribble Prints Co. This is with Happy Scrappy. This is Jessica's art for Disney, and then this is the Once More With Love collab. So let's get into it. So yeah, I have the date stickers which you can get from Scribble Prints Co. I'm actually like deep in here because she's obviously brought out a lot of next year already, up until I think what is the new ones? I'll be just going round and round and round. I'm not sure what has been released. Okay, this is where it stops. Alright. So for 2021, I have up until February 22nd, I think. But I just decided just to restart those labels on the front of the thing, and they come off really easily, as you can see. I have taken them off here on the corner. But yeah, so in January, the only thing I have planned so far is that my friends Steph and Mark, they got legally married this year, but they couldn't have their wedding. They had to postpone because of COVID, so their wedding is planned for January 30th. So I put in this wedding kit. I'll show you guys that. I've got the script in front. I was hoping to travel to go to it. I might actually turn this down because the sun came out, so you can see better. Hopefully you can see better now. But yeah, I don't think I will be going even in January, so yeah, that kind of sucks. But I wanted to still mark that week that they have their wedding with that kit. And so then we flick all the way to this year, and I decided I'm not using this kit for this week, but it's the boho vibes, and I'll just put that in a different kit in a second. Oh, my camera's dying. Alright, camera battery changed. That's a big tip if you're going to start a YouTube channel for planning. You should get more than one camera battery. So here we have the start of autumn, really. I've got Brave from last year. So I have only stuff really from last year, nothing really from this year. So that's why I'm waiting for some mail in before I start doing plan with me's again. But yeah, this is the Brave kit from last year. And I didn't get to use it because I had planned out all this autumn, but then it snowed. So I'm trying to get these in as soon as possible by getting in on September, because I wanted to use that from last year. And then we have the Pumpkin Patch kit. This is from last year, but she did reformat it and bring it back out this year with a different colorway. And so I have this, but I think I'm going to use both the kits together to like make the perfect kit. So I'm waiting for that. And then this is from this year. This is July Mystery, just the witchy autumn one, which I love. So that's definitely happening. That's leading me into Halloween, which I don't have any of my Halloween kits in. And then this is a mystery from last year, October Mystery. Yeah. So this will be the start of like winter before I get into Christmas. Just wanted to do like one snowy kit here. That might change though. I might switch that up to January. Depending on how Christmas goes, it's not looking great. Because I still have this Christmas kit from last year called Holly. And I want to get that used, and I do have the foils for both these spreads in here. But yeah, I didn't get to use this last year, so I want to use it this year. So that's also put in here near the front so it gets used. But then that's all I've got for planned out. So let's go into the hoarding, but I definitely want to use one day album. So we got some travel kits first. We have this really cute one, Wanderlust, and I thought it looked like a perfect Europe travel kit. So you could be good for Italy or France or even like Denmark, Sweden, whatever, because it's sort of like that general Europe feel. So I'm keeping that for whenever that can happen again safely. I mean, there are countries I can go to right now, but I don't want to risk that. Then we have the Cyber Monday Mystery 2019, which is a Paris kit. So I'm keeping that. I didn't really like Paris the last time I went there, but I'm open to try it again, especially as I want to go to Disneyland Paris. And then we have a Tokyo kit, which one day I'll go back to Tokyo. I love it. It's I think it's my all-time favorite. I probably wouldn't live there, but I love it. And now that I'm moving to Helsinki, I'll be one flight away from Tokyo, so direct flight to Tokyo, I can't wait. One day. I'm keeping that. And then we have a Holo Party birthday kit from last year, and I decided to keep this one. I just get every birthday kit that I like, just in case. Because there's always birthdays, and like my partner's birthday, I never know what to use for them. So I also got the monochrome one, which happy birthday, which originally was going to be Bennett's Andrea's son's birthday kit, but we switched it up. He was going to have like Mickey Mouse theme, but I think he had Toy Story in the end. I think that's what it was. But I really liked this black and white theme, and you can really do a lot with it. And it'll also be really good for a boy's birthday, but I don't really care about having a masculine birthday. I've always literally used girly kits for my partner's birthday, but then they're not a typical male, so... Then I have the grad kit, which was the custom art kit for graduation. I really don't know if I'll actually get to go to graduation next year now. I'm about to confirm. And graduation would be in like May, April next year, and I don't think Australia will be open even then. It would be nice to mark that off because it's like the ultimate graduation PhD, and I never went to my other graduations. So I'm keeping a hold on that. Otherwise, I'll just use it for the week I get my diploma. So my degree, so whatever. Then I've got Fiesta. I was going to use it this summer, but I changed my mind for another kit. But I love this, and I'm going to keep it around. Maybe use it for spring. Freaking love tacos and Mexican food. Then this is Cindy, so the Cinderella inspired kit. I was thinking about using this in various times. This could be good for winter actually, because I think after Valentine's Day, so maybe March, because it'll still be snowy then, I think, or wintry. It'll be less snowy in Helsinki, but then I have was it June Mystery from this year, the cute picnic set. we'll save that for summer next year. Then I have the Serena and Lily mystery kit from, this is June Mystery from Crest Press. And this one makes me think of Alexandra Buda because of the ginger jar. But I don't know, I thought that was cute, so I'm going to keep that around. I thought I could use this one. I like the art. And then another Crest Press, this is Blush Struck. I just really love this, like, the top with the polka dots. It's very pink. Yeah, I know. Just good anytime kit for whenever. It is pretty enough. Then I have the leopard print, leopard kit from SBC. Love this kit. So pretty. It's an anytime kit. And then of course I have 6-year kit from SPC, which is like the Planner Heaven. I just haven't had time, like, place to slot it in yet. So I don't know. I think I'm gonna put this one in here because I could use it up. So that is my, you know, special occasion and probably going to use somewhere down the line kit folder. And then we have my deep hoard. And it's big. You know, I definitely limit myself on my kit collection these days. I mostly try to stick to just what's gonna go in here. Planned kits, but I do have some older stuff just lying around that I can't bring myself to get rid of. I find it too hard to destash with like mail and things, so usually they just get thrown out, which I know is wasteful. Don't at me. But that's why I haven't done it in a while. But I have this September mystery from 2019 in here, and I just didn't want to get rid of it, but I just don't know when I'm going to use it. It's not my ultimate favorite. So then I have, I might just show you in the plastic, but I have this Simply Watercolor Co. Autumn Kit. It says Pumpkin Please. It's really pretty and foiled. She gave it to me at the party, I think, SPC party. But it's just like, it's not the format I reach for, but it's too pretty to get rid of. And then I have a couple of years old Crest Press Cyber Monday Mystery Kit here. This has started to shrink, so I don't know how well it's gonna work, but we'll see. This is super old. I don't think Heather Ann plans. The shop is closed. I don't remember seeing her at all on Instagram now, but I just keep it here because not many people use this art at all. It was like my Harajuku Japan kind of themed one, and I was kind of keeping it for going to Tokyo. I might actually just redraw some of this art because I love it, but yeah, it's super old. Then we have this Yas Fall from last time Crest Press came back from leave, but this is also shrunk a bit, so I don't know. I hate when they're shrunk because then they just don't, like, they don't fit the boxes, you know? So I don't know if I should just get rid of these. We got Starry Eyed, but yeah, like, I really should be buying Crest Press in her glossy because the matte always shrinks. And then I believe Alicia gave this to me at the SBC Planner Party as well, the Sadie Stickers Hustle Kit. Really, really pretty, like, girl boss kit. And then I have this B6 kit for Christmas, which I definitely want to use somehow, like during Planmas. It's just so beautiful. You know, I don't like photo kits, but I love the way this one looks with like the red cup and the red and the white. Yeah. Then I have some old summer. We've got Sunshine, an old my friend Melissa's art, Alita design. I want to keep that around. Once again, Crest Press Museum Babe. I love this idea of it being museum, but it's shrinking a lot. There's like a huge gap here, so I don't know if I should just give up on it. This is a mini kit work from home. I was going to use this at various times while finishing my PhD, but it's a mini kit and those annoy me a little. This is also a mini kit. This is can't read it. Fun in the Sun, and this is from this year, like really light pastel summer. I did actually get in a rack a bunch more of the sheets for this mini kit, so it's actually got a lot more stuff in it now. And I might say that for next summer, but we'll see. Then we have August Mystery 2019. Really pretty, just don't have a plan for it yet. Another crest press kit that's probably shrunk. I was gonna save it for Halloween this year, but now I don't know because it's shrunk. That annoys me. Then I have Girls Eve, which was like my New Year's Eve from 2018 for 2019. But Andrea used it as more of a like a celebration birthday kit you could do it as, so that's why I've kept this around. It's just so old now that I keep it in the deep freeze, honestly. But I am doing New Year's Eve this year, so, and I'm hoping to make it general again. But then we have Anna. It was a Christmas kit from last year, didn't really make the cut. And I don't 100% love it, so it's in the deep freeze. Then we have May Mystery, or May or March. I think that this one got swapped around. I think it was March. From SPC, and actually Andrea gave this to me at PlannerCon that year, so but I just didn't have plans to ever use. I don't know. I want to use it, but it's just in the deep freeze now. But this did get re-released in a softer colorway. I think it's still pretty bright in my opinion. But yeah, this one has like the hot pink. Then I also got this at PlannerCon. This was Planner Meetup. Who knows when this will ever get used. I don't know if I'll ever go to another Planner Meetup, honestly. But it is really nice. Then this is the original magic kit drawn by Jessica, JQ Plans. I feel bad it's in the deep freeze because it is beautiful, but then I kind of drew my own magic stuff. But I keep it here because I love it, and I kind of just want to look at Jessica's pretty art. And then we have April Mystery from this year with this ice cream sundae, which again in the deep freeze because I'm not 100% sure when I'll use it, but it is really cute. So that is the end of the deep freeze, I believe. Yeah. So that is my entire kit collection. I think I've been a pretty good girl, honestly. It's not overwhelming. I definitely want to start like using some more of it, maybe doing some secondary planning, like to answer like tag questions or different questions, and maybe planner challenges or something. So if you've got any like planner challenges you would like me to do, like with a lot of these kits, like using them in a certain way or whatever, just let me know down below. But otherwise, I hope you enjoyed seeing my kit collection and how I organize them. Let me know how you organize your kits, and do you have too many kits? Are you overrun? Or are you kind of like in the sweet spot like I think I am right now? Let me know below. But otherwise, I hope you have a wonderful week, and I'll see you next time. Bye!